Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get your popcorn ready because the Infinians have put their toes into the lava. Their toes are wiggling in the lava. They just sold their foot to the devil. They said, we ready for action. We are a 4-door sedan made for running. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Infinians down in a Q50 or with the Q50ans? Make the boys in blue look like clowns. Let's have a reaction. Action. Straight to the malarkey. No time wasted. Cop out. Let's see what's going on with the Q50ans. Oh, he threw it in reverse? What is he doing? Okay, yeah, but do. Body on earth, foot in hell, baby. Down Bookerville Alley. He running like my father did when I was a kid. I haven't got over that shit yet. Why you leaving me, Daddy?
Stopping and getting out of the car, your first store distance from Collins. It's currently going to be westbound on St. Paul.
He getting busy. This the best looking Bookerville I've ever seen. I didn't grow up in a Bookerville like this. It was worse. We didn't have no trees and grass. He got that bad boy open up like your girlfriend's legs. She can't keep them closed.
Clear. It's going to be a black Infiniti with temp tags.
Oh, he just got this. Is it temporary tags on it? He just copped this. Pookie just copped an Infiniti. He let him get to the highway. And no, it's not my camera, y'all. It's the police camera. They gave him a GoPro Hero 1. They can't afford a real dash cam because they gave him the first GoPro. I don't see him no more. They let him get to the highway. It may be over with. Them Infinians, they don't play no games, man. They don't waste no time. Put their foot down and go. Got the temp tag on it. Open that new car up then, baby. Listen to this cop's motor. It's screaming for him to stop. His motor begging him, stop, please. You know we ain't made for this. It ain't looking good. I do not see no more Infinitis. At least the one he is chasing. He ain't waste no time, man. He know what he was doing. Them Infinians, man, I got more mad love for y'all, man. Y'all don't play no games, man. Put them in the top 3. Out of there, baby. Meet me in the comments. We got to put the Infinians in the top 3, y'all. Somebody got to go. The 3 Hyans, y'all got to go. Listen, I'm sorry. I'm a Moparian, and I don't want to see y'all go. I think we should be in the top 3. But the Infinians seem like they're always getting away, man. I don't know what it is in those Infinians juice that they drinking, that Dookie water that they drinking. But dang, they sure know how to drive. Them boys know how to get busy. All-wheel drive power. Hold on, I got to check the specs. Let's check the specs out on the Infiniti Q50, baby. Okay, we got the specs. The standard 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 comes with 300 horsepower, 295 torque with a 7-speed automatic transmission. They got drivetrain, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive. 0 to 60 in 5 seconds. That's for the standard version. If you want the big boy, if you want the nasty, you want to get the Red Sport 400 performance variant. It has 400 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque. A torquey little son of a gun. And 0 to 60 in 4.5 to 4.9 seconds. Depending on the trim and the drive layout. Transmission is going to be a 7-speed automatic, and it comes in rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The real drivers will get the all-wheel drive version, but the slouchy ones, the cheapy deepies, gonna get the rear-wheel drive. Either way, 400 horsepower is nothing to be played with. Infinians, I'm sorry. I said the Infinians, I'm sorry. Y'all got those Infinity stones, the Infinity stones, 5 Infinity stones on your toes is nasty work. I've never seen anybody with 5 ring ring toe rings. I never seen anybody with 5 toe rings, but the Infinitians, they said we got 5 Infinitian stones on our toes. We get busy. We don't play. Put us in the top 3 or you not playing fair. We got to put them in the top 3. We not playing fair if we don't put the Infinitians in the top 3. We have seen the Infinitians get away time and time and time again. And when they get caught, they do it like a boss. They don't play no game. Twin turbo toes. We can't say naturally aspirated because they got supercharged. They got twin turbo. They got turbo toes. Sucking up the wind. They in the top 3. 3 Hunions, you got to go. The 3 Hunions, y'all not better than the Beamer boys. Y'all not better than the Veta boys. And those the top 2. We ain't seen enough Mozzie boy police chases to put them up there. But every time we do see them, they get busy. You know. Track Hawkians, they get busy too. But we ain't seen enough Track Hawkians run. We got to put them in the top 3, y'all. The Infinitians have deboed their way into the top 3. And I'm not mad at them. Meet me in the comments and let me know. Should they be in the top 3? Hell, should they be in the top 2? Because they get busy. They shot through Boogerville like they knew exactly where they was going. Like they knew what Boogerville, like the back of their hands. Even though I don't remember my Boogerville looking like this. When I grew up in Boogerville, it did not look so pristine. It looked like it's fresh air down there in Milwaukee. I didn't know Milwaukee was so pretty. But yeah, they got busy. They know what they was doing. And it was a temporary tag. So that means he just got that bad boy from a buy here, pay here. 39% interest on that bad boy. But he put it to work. He must have got a good one. Or as soon as he got out the hallway, it blew up. The motor gave out as soon as he got out the hallway because it probably had 259,000 miles on it. That's what you get from a buy here, pay here. We don't know if he got it by. I'm just saying, allegedly he got it from a buy here, pay here. He might have got it off a nice lot. It may only had 25,000 miles on. I don't know. But when you're running like that, I smell buy here, pay here. But yeah, shout out to the Infinitians. They did their thing. They did their thing. If you disagree, leave it in the comments. Werewolf Pack. Would you buy you an Infiniti Q50? Because I know I would. I did not expect, listen, the Q60s, Q50s, G30s, whatever you want to call them, whatever letter they put in front of the number, they gets busy. The audience now, they trying to get in them. They fighting to get in the top 3 as well. Now we got to put some respect on their names too. We got to get another chase with them in the game because they gets busy as well. But shout out to the Infinitians and the Q50ans. The Q50ans have arrived. Toes in the lava and they just wiggling them around. But with that being said, I got to take my musty, dookie stain having ass to work. I got to get that money on. And hopefully I don't get stuck out there like I did a couple of days ago. It is what it is when you're chasing that dough, that fetioka, that green lettuce, that grass, whatever you want to call it, that money on. But I got to go. But before I go, I got to leave you something positive. Check this out. Cut the dead weight. What do you mean, Tlites? Get rid of those so-called friends that are not really friends. They holding you back. They taking your blessings. They eating up the blessings that you supposed to have because you giving them blessings that they don't deserve. And they blocking some of your blessings, meaning they getting some of the blessings that you supposed to get. They getting too much of your shine. The only reason they kicking it with you is because you're great, because you're radiant. You radiate greatness. When you step into the room, everybody notice you. They never notice them. Just being around you make them cool, make them popular, make them seem like they somebody. You got to cut the dead weight. The dead weight is holding you back, Jack or Jack-Ann. It's holding you back, baby. Get rid of the he's and the she's that don't do nothing for you. They never cheer for you. When's the last time your so-called friends cheered for you? Your so-called friends supported you. Your so-called friends was there for you when you needed a ride to work. Because you always giving them a ride to work when you needed a couple of dollars to borrow. Where was they at? Nowhere to be found. But every time they need you, you always there, super saver. Stop saving them. Sometimes people supposed to be in your life for a paragraph. Hell, some of them supposed to be in there for a sentence, not a whole chapter, not half the book. They in your life for too long. Cut the dead weight. That's all I'm asking you to do. If you listen to your Uncle T, your friend T, your brother, your cousin, your secret boyfriend, if you listen to me, I'm telling you, your life will be much easier. I cut the dead weight. You can cut it too. It's all you got to do is do this. Stop answering the calls. Stop kicking it with them. And when they come around, say, man, I'm trying to do something real quick, man. I'm trying to do what I do. And I'm really trying to just be to myself and end it right there. If they can't accept that, too damn bad. That's how you get rid of dead weight. All I'm trying to do is help your life. I'm here to help you in life. No other YouTuber is going to tell you the things I'm telling you because they don't really care about you. I care about you. I want to see you succeed. Yeah, we do police chases. Yeah, we do lot reviews, car reviews, talk about cars. Yeah, we do all that stuff. But we also talk about life because life be lifing. I want to see y'all win. I don't want to just win. I want to see y'all win. Hell, we all deserve a little piece of the pie, don't we? Well, I want a big piece, but we all deserve some of the pie. I don't want the piece of crust that y'all ate all the pie off and you just throw me the crust. I want some of the pie. I want my little piece of heaven. I want my big house with the white picket fence as well. Can't get that when you're hanging around negative Neds and negative Nancys. Positive Pete's, baby. Positive Patricias. Listen to me. Get away from the diabolicans. But with that being said now, I got to slide on up out of here. But if we do not condone running from the police, we absolutely do not. Whoever said we do, you a bold-faced, stanky-foot lie. We do not condone running from the boys in blue. I want you to pull over. Pull over. You already musty. Pull over and let that cop get a whiff of that must so he can give you that ticket and send you on about your way. Take the ticket and go home. Don't run. But if you do run, by the time I see you running on video, it's too late. I can't save you. You already a demon. And contrary to the people's belief, a demon is not an ugly creature. I guarantee you a demon is a beautiful creature. It's a fallen angel. How could it be an ugly creature? A demon is going to present itself as something lovely. Don't be fooled. They look just like angels. Stay away from those diabolicans. So if you are diabolican, it's nothing I can do for you. But here's a little bit of advice. If you are going to run and you on a budget, listen, get you a Infiniti Q50 and get busy.